I couldn't make it down.
My mind raced, and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating in my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart.
I have over 30,000 views on my YouTube. Just all kinds of videos. The weather I did a lot. When the solar eclipse happened back in June, like I don't know, a couple years ago, that whole eclipse, I recorded that. A lot of people watched that. Almost 2,000.
I did see it. In Nashville, it wasn't like hardly anything.
Right. Watertown, it was great. I had cases of water out front for the walkers. I was all alone. I recorded
Everyone traveled.
Yeah. I let people park in my driveway. Shit, the people with little kids that were from Canada and Quebec.
They came. This feels like they should already have been.
No, they all came to go to Thompson Park. He's walking this dog. Hi, Pop. That's great. Where's Pretty Baby? I get the chickens. Live chickens are always over here. That was one of my videos. And Troy's turkey. We were all eating. Yeah, the Waltz friends and family. Troy's big old turkey was under the tent eating with everybody. Fort Thompson Park entrance off State Street. Once Jay gets his car, I gotta take the babies up there.
Feels like there should be kids. I guess it's just too early. It feels like there should be kids sledding.
Also
they
pretty.
put fences up there, dude.
I think it's so kids don't break their arms. Unless they stop it.
Pussy shit.
Oh no, there's some. I don't know.
No, right back up there. You see it?
Oh, they did.
Yeah.
That's where the kids break their arms if you go higher than that. You go into the street.
Yeah, but it's still like just a little.
I could still take the babies down that little hill. They've never sled yet.
Oh, wait, what? Yeah, go do that.
Yes, I can't wait. I have to
you
get
know what?
sleds.
Joy says he's never showed them.
What?
It's flipping your eyelids inside out.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah.
Carter can snap. He can almost whistle. He can snap with both hands now.
We'll teach him to flip his eyelids inside out.
Yeah.
So we'll do that to his parents.
That's great. I forgot about that.
Me too, yeah.
I tried to
totally
teach him
forgot
everything.
you could do that.
Also, I gotta get him that book. Pizza, pizza. He's at the exact age where he busted and got so hard. He lost his teeth. Pizza, pizza. We laugh so hard every night on that book, dude. Great. Feels good to get out a little and look around. When I walk, it's so cold I can't walk very far. Entrance to the zoo. If you find mud or something, I should go with you and break over that. Mud hit in the window.
I don't really know what that is.
I'll find some if you're willing. If I ask Tom, Tom knows everybody like that. All kinds of crap. They're the seems like it calmed down a little. I don't know. Maybe the light's on.
What?
Maybe it's just that the light's brighter now. I don't know. It doesn't look as stormy as it did when you picked
It's basically it. How did
Yeah.
you get through?
right there.
You stumble through that fucking snow bank?
Yeah.
It sucks.